Hello, my name is Simon. Welcome to Kent High Performance Cars, where we are proud to present this iconic 1989 Ferrari Testarossa finished in Rosso Corsa with Magnolia leather and Bordeaux carpets in superb condition. This is one of 419 right-hand drive cars ever built. She has covered a mere 37,000 miles from new and has just had a large engine-out cam belt service. Supplied new by HR Owen in January 1989 and has been known to us since July 2018. The car comes complete with all its tools in their leather case and the leather book packs as well. While the engine was out, the red crinkle finish cam covers were refinished and the engine bay was detailed. The wheels and tyres are in great condition. Going into the interior, can only be said it is in very good condition and the Magnolia leather looks fantastic. If you have any questions you would like me to answer, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Telephone number here is 01622 759 599. Many thanks.